Want to keep your Honda looking brand new, no matter what the road throws at it? Honda Genuine Accessories has you covered with a range of protective accessories designed for both style and durability. First up, all-season floor mats and a trunk tray. These durable mats protect your interior from dirt, moisture, and wear, while the trunk tray keeps your cargo area clean and free from spills. Protect your paint with body side molding. It not only prevents door dings, but also gives your Honda a sleek, stylish look. Splash guards help shield your vehicle from mud and road debris, keeping your paint safe from scratches and chips. Prevent those unsightly door edge chips with door edge film. It's a simple way to maintain that factory fresh appearance. Door edge guards add an extra layer of protection, preventing damage from bumps and everyday use. Upgrade your look with a door mirror cover. Not only does it add style, but it also protects your mirrors from scratches and dings. Last but not least, door sill protection film ensures that your door sills stay scratch-free, no matter how many times you open and close your doors. These Honda Genuine Accessories are designed to protect your vehicle and keep it looking sharp for years to come. Protect your investment upgrade with Honda Genuine Accessories today.